Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kementeri Sorkar Kabri Khmi ya katanat ka kwat ka khya ka Sorkar jila ka Dr. Ampareen Ningdo kalapri thamai ya ka State Food Molecular Microbiology Laboratory ha Pasteur Hills kabri ba Nyngkong do a kithan chati la mingi haba ajin kana kani ka si Kementeri Sorkar kala ong balingba kani mentala la ban pet benya e ki Marbam ki ba penmi na po ka jila balala ru ban pen pau ka thai kini ki mar ka kong Ampareen kala ong ru ba menta an la ban pet benya e ki kam khayi ki badai halor ka bam kadi ki nong sam ki bam ki di ki nong di jing bam hasurok ban pentikna ba ki bam ba ki di lani sam lani penmi ki dai ki ba ban pendan kam da ki pat ba u principal secretary ka tanat ka kwat ka khya sampat kumar loong ba ka sorkar kan sedang ban le ru i ki tes halor ki bam ki di ki ba khlem da pendan kam da ki dawai ha ki sa lani hindu banai ban wan Ulang baling ba kani kinong rep kinyo e kisernot anda kila dap bande e kitas ya ki Marbam ki penmi la ki day ni em ki baklem kle dawai.
We would like to see that the state of Meghalaya markets and sells food items not just locally, nationally, but also globally. We must ensure that we have the necessary infrastructure so that we can collectively work together towards a common goal. I will not be able to take everybody else's name here, but I want to thank all officials from across the board who are here today in this lab and the enforcement directorate so that we can have a certification which is going to be productive for the state of Meghalaya. And I'm also very grateful that this lab will not only look at one aspect of food testing, but it will also be instrumental in the integrated disease surveillance project. We have to ensure that that is also attended to correctly by all officers here. So we know now that all local food businesses, food chain operators, hawkers on the streets, henceforth there will be a surveillance of all of the contents of your products to ensure that the people of the state of Meghalaya are consuming products which have been tested. And the message is Meghalaya now has come of age. We are now poised. We are now able to be certifying the products from the state of Meghalaya and making them available in racks across the globe. Now, as we have just heard, this new food molecular microbiology laboratory is here, and we have been able to implement this entire system through central sector schemes with collaboration of FSSAI. And I hope that these sophisticated equipments, instruments that are going to be made available here for various testing will be able to give us the important result of food tested products and producers from the state of Meghalaya.
So with this, we have a potential to have organic testing certification very soon in the state. So now that this laboratory is there, which is molecular food laboratory, so in the next 4 to 6 months, right? Next 4 to 6 months, we just wanted to make so our farmers, our entrepreneurs can come here and get this organic testing certification. Not organic certification, but to get the organic certification, you require testing. You need to see that like they are pesticide free. There are no, the chemicals inside those food materials. To test that one, this is the laboratory which is going to function. So that's a very, very important milestone, not only from the point of health, public health, because most of the the laboratory work also to ensure proper public health, to see that there is no food poisoning, to see that there is a safety in the food that we would consume. But more, another important thing is it also provides a lot of economic opportunities for the people.